At Pioneer Plastech, precision begins with the right tools. With the Makino V33i, we deliver high-speed milling for the most complex mold cavities. From tight tolerances to fine surface finishes, our CNC process ensures accuracy at every step. We combine EDM and Wire-EDM to reach features that cutting tools can't: sharp corners, deep slots. Every mold goes through strict inspection to meet our promise of quality and consistency. Whether it's for automotive, medical, or electronics, we build tooling that performs. Pioneer Plastech. Precision you can trust.